Hi there, this video is going to show you how to set up an InDesign document for a mini magazine project. This will be step one of a few videos that we're going to do. To go ahead and get started, you can open up Adobe InDesign. And if you have this screen open right here, you're going to click on New File, or you can go up from the application bar, click File, New, and we're looking for a document. When we see this dialog box, there's lots of different options, usually a whole bunch of templates and a whole bunch of numbers and settings that we can look for. We're going to keep this fairly easy. We're going to look for print from the options up above. Then go to view all presets, and we're looking for the size A4. So here's our A4. I like to name my file right away. This magazine is going to be called Emerging Technology Magazine. And it's a good habit to always put your name in your file name. And now I'm going to scroll through. I'm going to change my page numbers. I'm going to have 8 pages. I want to make sure that I have facing pages checked, and that will have 2 pages facing each other when you open up your magazine. That produces what's called a spread, and it's kind of fun to design that way. Next thing I'm going to change is columns. The number of columns, I'm going to change it from 1, and I'm going to bump it up to 6. Now, columns are simply these magenta guides. They're not going to get printed that way. They just help me kind of use them as rulers and guides to make sure all my designs that I place and all the text that I place, I can easily align them to each other. So those, like I said, won't print later on. Okay, we're going to go ahead and click Create. And there we go. Here's my document. If I hit Command minus to zoom out, you can see I have 8 pages. I have a cover page. Then my second page I'll leave blank. Third page will be my table of contents. Fourth, fifth, sixth, and seventh will have my content. And then my 8th page will be my closing page. I can always look at my pages over here, or I can go to Window, scroll down, and check pages to see a palette off to the side that also shows all my pages. All right, this is the end of step 1. Well done.